Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we have learned about visualizations in Power BI. In this video, we will be talking about reports. We will learn to enhance and publish reports. If you want to publish our existing report, we will go to the Home tab. We will go to the Publish section and click there. In this way, our report will be published. We have to select our workspace. We will get the link of our report here. A report is a collection of visualizations that are put together to tell a story or share insights. Reports can have just one page or multiple pages. They also allows us to interact with the data, explore it, and even customize the look to make it professional. These are the steps to build a report. First, we will create a visualization, arrange them properly, resize and format, and add elements like titles or labels for context. Add interactivity so users can click and filter data. Finally, preview and publish the report. Enhancing reports means improving the report to make it more attractive and useful. Some ways to enhance are: create custom pages with navigation buttons and tooltips, edit interactions between visuals to control how filter works, use AI visuals to create dynamic infographics, maintain a clean and cohesive design for better visual appeal. Now we will be coming to the publishing reports. Once your report is ready, you can publish it in the Power BI. The steps are: go to the Home tab, click on the Publish button, a dialog box will open, select the workspace where you want to publish. After that, you will see a success message and a link to your report. And that's it. In the next video, we will be learning more about reports in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.